Hey everybody, how's it going? So I'm going to do a quick guess what's in the box video or bag. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so those of you that have bought this product before will probably recognize what it is, but this is 10 by, it's a 10-inch by 10-inch square. I'm not sure if there's one item in here or two. It is for bolts. If you guys want to just play along, have some fun with me. It's just a 10 by 10 square in a little blue bag. Let me know what your guys' guesses are down below. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you use that, it will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back availability for a 10% coupon for myself as well when you do use it. If you don't need it, no big deal. If you do use it, go check them out. They got lots of cool stuff that you for toolbox organization and hand tools. We do have some more Ulsa Tools stuff coming to use and demonstrate on the channel and form opinions on. And appreciate you guys watching as always. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!